The Know Your Rights form. Can you just kind of give us a rundown what that is and confirm that's specific to Chicago only, correct?
Correct. Yes, it's a Chicago only notice. So when we went back, we said 3 documents that need to be served before you file a declaration, termination notice, and COVID Know Your Rights. And that was brought out by City of Chicago. They passed that earlier this year. And basically, in a nutshell, basically says after you serve them the non-payment notice, they have essentially 5 days to shoot you a text or an email and give you a call saying, hey, I've been impacted by financially. I need some leeway here to work with you. After, let's say, in this case, you've served them on December 1st and they text you on December 3rd saying, I've been impacted by COVID and I've lost my job, my hours are reduced. At that point, you're supposed to start what's called a good faith negotiation period. So both parties at the table, not physically, but, you get my point. And, negotiating a solution before you file the case. So if they just, you serve on December 1st, they text you on December 3rd, your negotiation period will go from, call it 12 days from December 1st before it either the termination, call it the negotiation period ends or it fails or the tenant just disappears again. But if you do, in that time period, that 12-day time period, if you do negotiate something, it has to be in writing, and that's a key component. The city understands that written terms are important. It's got to be clear, concise, and written if you decide to document something up. So that's a good way to look at it.
You can't bring your cell phone to court and say, here's the text messages back and forth.
That does happen. It does happen. You can certainly go that route as well, but
I'm joking.
No, but I mean, people are going to do that, right? And we're going to have to handle that as it comes. But texting is the way where everybody communicates now. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a few more of those. I know you're joking, but I wouldn't be surprised if we saw quite a few of those coming to court.